Abi niye du tunes?
Every year, Mithu plants a tree in his garden. Mithu's grandparents have told him that trees are precious. They give us shade and fresh air. They give us flowers and fruits to eat. This year, too, Mithu is planting a small tree. He has chosen a hibiscus plant. "Look how tiny the baby leaves are, Grandma," Mithu said happily. "Yes, Mithu. This sapling will soon grow big and strong. Then you will see lovely red hibiscus flowers blooming," said Grandma. "Oh, I can't wait to see them," said Mithu, clapping his hands. "Thank you, Grandma, for giving me this lovely plant." "You are welcome, Mithu. But to see the flowers, you must first look after the plant well," said Grandma. Grandma dug a hole in a large pot full of soil. Then Mithu placed the sapling in the hole. Carefully, he pressed the loose soil around its roots to keep it upright. Then, Grandma and Mithu watered it. "Do not forget to water the plant daily, Mithu. If you forget, it will die," said Grandma. "Don't worry, Grandma. I will water the plant every day. I want to see the bright red flowers soon," said Mithu with a smile.